Hey guys, I want to give a shout out to Debbie Greer. Debbie has been working so hard at following low carb and keto, and she's done an amazing job. She has lost a ton of weight already, but what's most important is the non-scale victory that she shared with us a couple of weeks ago in my Facebook group, Low Carb Journey to Health. What Debbie shared was that she had this non-scale victory being out with her kids. She has fairly young children. It reminds me so much of me when I started, but they were out and about and they ended up going up in a lighthouse, 203 steps, and it didn't deter her at all. She made it up the steps and had a great time hanging out with her family. She said they walked on the beach and collected shells. And I'm going to tell you, if you're feeling sorry for yourself about I can't have this or I can't have that, or I miss bread or I miss whatever this high carb thing is, think about that and how priceless it is to have that time with your family, to climb 203 steps in a lighthouse and to feel good about it and not be sitting in the car waiting on them or sitting at home wishing you could do it. So congratulations, Debbie. Keep going. You inspire all of us.